Alright, people. Alright, here we go. Before I get interrupted again for the third time, I'm going to be making this video for you guys, a little DIY on how to change your cabin air filter. Alright, got your glove box here. Oh, by the way, sorry, this is a 2012 Kia Soul. Alright, so let me move everything out of the way. Gonna go in your glove compartment and yeah, I didn't clean it out. Anyways, so what you're gonna do is there's gonna be a hole there, screw there, and there's a screw right there, as you can see above the bulbs. I'm gonna go ahead and, I should clean this out. Let me clean this out and I'll be right back with you guys. Jeez, this is a mess. Okay, and we're back again. Sorry about that, you guys. Alright, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use the other screwdriver because this one's too long, I can't get it out. So I'm gonna switch to the smaller one so I can actually get in there. Alright, so it's tight. There we go. So we got a screw here, and I'm pretty sure there's 3 underneath. Go ahead and get these out. Yes, for this you have to take off your glove box. I'm pretty sure that's loose enough. Yeah, that one's loose. Gonna get this one in here. Oh, it's such a beautiful day outside. Alright, come on. There we go. There's one. To the side. And there's one over here. Alright, that one should just pop out once I pull it out, so yeah, okay, so I think there's more underneath. Let me check real quick. I think there. Yeah, okay, so. Alright, so there are. Let me angle this up. Okay, yeah, there's 3 screws right there. As you can see, it's 1. And then you see that one right there, 2, and then there's a 3rd one right there. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. Maybe. Like I said, maybe. There we go. Okay. Since I'm gonna be in the camera's way, let's angle this down a little bit. There we go. Alright, there's 2. And then the one's way over here. Oh my goodness, okay. Alright. Oh, is it gonna budge? Yep. I think next time I shouldn't put these in here so tight, because it's kind of hard to get off. But that's okay. Your work was what you got. Anyways. Whew. Alright, now, this should... That's okay. Okay. I really don't want to lose these bolts either. Now, this should... no. I'm sorry, you guys. There's more bolts. Okay, so... As you can see, there's one up in there. And there's another one up in there. So... This is very, very... yeah, they're really easy to get to, so... You should have no problem of getting these out by yourself, or hey, just take the time, do it yourself, because you'll feel better about yourself instead of just taking it to someone and doing this, because this is a really easy thing to do, except just getting them out. Alright, those should pop out once I pull this out, so I'm just gonna leave that dangling, just... Alright, I'm gonna have to go back and show that. There we go. It's like, might need a smaller Phillips, not flathead, excuse me, to get in there, or like changeable, like I have here. So this is what I'm using for this and just a regular Stanley screwdriver, nothing fancy. Pick them up at your local Walmart, you know, wherever. Someone's yard. I'm just kidding. Alright, so this should jimmy out. Since I got all the bolts out. Should. Yeah, I got all the bolts out. It should pop out. I got all the bolts out. So. Oh, okay, I think there's clips down here. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so it should pull straight out. Okay, so there's gonna be a coupler. So don't let this free fall, because you have that white coupler back there, you're gonna see. It's gonna be holding up the glove box, so don't let that fall straight down, because if you do, you're gonna rip it right out. And that goes to your light. Now, if I can just unhook the coupler. Alright. Alright, let me get that unhooked real quick. Alright, coupler is detached, so just dangle it down wherever, preferably outside. Alright, so that's out of the way. Here you go. Okay, now I gotta locate the cabin filter. It's up here somewhere. Oh yeah, it's right there. Okay, as you can see, it's gonna be right here, right there. See that little, you're gonna pull this. Yeah, it's gonna pull this. It's gonna pop right out. And here comes the goodness. Okay, you need to get back up, so I'm gonna get you out. Alright, it should pull out. And there is your cabin air filter. Now you're gonna want to pay attention to the arrow because right there, there's an arrow right there pointing up. So you're gonna want to have it angling up. So yeah, I haven't changed it in a while. It's a little dirty, but as you can see, it's really dirty. So, but hey, it's not that bad as the first one when I first got the car. It was god awful. And there was a disgusting cockroach in there. But let's not talk about that right now. Anyways. So got that done. Got that out. Let me go get the new one real quick. Now this one should have the same arrow. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it out the same way you put it in. Okay, this should be the, yeah. Here, you see the arrows on the side there. There's 3 arrows pointing up. Getting the focus over there, and it's kind of hard to focus right now because of the light. But as you can see it right there, we're just gonna take that. Wires in the way. Alright, give me a minute here. Okay. And do that. The wire's in the way, so I'm gonna have to. Alright, and do that. And then you're just going to jimmy it up there. Come on. I mean, I know you don't want to go in there, and neither do I, but come on. Just gonna push it up in there. Hopefully that's fine. Then you're gonna put this on. This way's gonna go this way, and then that's the wrong way. Come on. It should just go. Come on, snap in reality here. Oh, you're gonna be. There we go. And then you're done. So there's that. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna just put everything back how you had it. It's not that hard. You just take everything out the way you put everything back in the how you got it out. Jeez, that took a lot to say. Anyways, if this video helped you out with the cabinet air filter on the 2012 Kia Soul Plus, give it a thumbs up. Comment any questions, concerns, blah blah blah. Feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.